Welcome back students. In mathematics today I am giving you assignments as review worksheet number 2. Review worksheet number 2. Today you do review worksheet number 2. As it is given, fill in the blanks and do these sums, and some problem questions are also given. So I hope you can do fill in the blanks as expanded form of 9783. You can expand it. Greatest 3-digit number formed as with 5, 4 and 3. Also you can do yourself. The smallest 3-digit number formed with 7, 9 and 0. You can do yourself. As you can see, questions are very easy, but you see, I fill in the blanks. I know you can do, but I want to explain as to give some ideas. As first, fill in the blanks like that. A is given the expanded form of 9783. 9783. So you can say 9000 plus 700 plus 80 and plus 3, like that. 9780 plus 3. How? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. You can see at ones place 3 only, tens place 8 into 10 means 80, and 100 place 7 into 100 means 700, and 1000 place 9000, 9 into 1000. So you can understand like this, and you can write as expanded form 9780 plus 3. This is the expanded form, and you can fill this as expanded form. Question number B. The greatest 3-digit number formed with 5, 4, 3. Numbers are given 5, 4 and 3. So you should make a greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. So you see 5, 4 and 3 is given. So I told already, for greatest number you choose firstly greatest number as 5. After that, as less greater 4 and smallest 3. So this is 543 is the greatest number as using 5, 4 and 3. In this way you can fill here 543. For question number C, the smallest 3-digit number formed with 7, 9 and 0. 7, 9 and 0. Numbers are given 7, 9 and 0. So it is asking question, smallest 3-digit number. Asking question, smallest 3-digit number. So for smallest 3-digit number, you choose as less valuable number. 9 is more, 7 is less, and you can write 0 as between 7 and 9. So you can write 7, after that 0, and after that the greatest number 9. So you can see 709 is the smallest 3-digit number as using 7, 9 and 0. So 709. So you write 7, after you can write 0, After that 9. So 709 is the smallest 3-digit number as using 7, 9 and 0. The number name of 8705 you do yourself. 4040 in figures you do yourself. Place value of 7, 1 you do yourself. So D, E, F, G, H you can do yourself. But here you can see H 4, 7, 20 it is given. Question number H, you can see as Roman numerals are given 4, it is 4 and it is 2, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 and double X, 1X 10 plus second X 10, 10 plus 10, 20. X means 20, you can write. And I given, write in Roman numerals 6 given. How can you write 6? As 5 and plus 1, 6. 8, 5 plus 3, 5. For 8, how can you write? 8 means 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 5 and 3 time I. It is 8 and 14. 14 how can you write? 14. So for 14 how can you write? Have you idea? You can see for 14 I told already this is 10 and this is 5. 10, 5, 15, but you have to write 14. So 10 plus 4. This is 14. 10 plus 4. So it is 10 and this is 4. 10 plus 4, 14. So in this way you can write 14. Second question, A, B, C and D you can do yourself. Third also you can do yourself, it is sum. And fourth question, this type of question I have explained also. I have already explained. And question number 5 I will explain tomorrow. So today you can try worksheet number 2, review exercise, and you can do in a copy also. In book also you can do. Where it is gaps are given, you can do in a book also, and you can do in copy all the question as review worksheet number 2. And tomorrow I will explain question number 5 as problem question. Okay.